Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a Pepe update, and this video is for you, and let's see what are the price targets and what's happening in the current market. So let's see the major scenarios in the market. Okay, so let's get into the chart. So here are the data I'm using for this video. So let's go from the weekly. Okay, we will come from the higher time. So in the higher time frame, the major key levels that it took was these two trend lines, these two and this. Okay, so let me explain that. So we have this price mitigations and price noise in this area. You can see it clearly here and here and in this areas also. Okay, here also and here and in this area also. So if you go for the candle chart, you can see that we have wicks in this area. So we can clearly see that, right? So let me say you what's happening with the red line. Okay, so that's clear. So red line I drew was here. We can see this price starting here. Let's go for a line chart. Okay, so we had a wick here and we had a fake out and a breakout and a retest and we had a sharp drop, and after that market retraced to that red line. Okay, and made another drop and market made a breakout, and now we are sitting on a retest point. Okay, so this is a deep retest. It's a slow retest, but the move could be a sharp one. Okay, so everything you see from here, if you see the price action here, so the market fall and went for retest, so it made a small selling pressure, and then the third time what happened, market couldn't hold. Okay, hold below this, so it broke out. So there are no any, the buyers are more than the sellers. Okay, so in here also you can see that we had retest. And so what I'm expecting for this to happen is, so there are some conditions that could happen. So until the price is above this green line, okay, this is a weekly time frame. I'm saying this for a spot, okay, spot and swing trades. So you can look for long trades until we are above this green line. Okay, so until we are above this green line, we can expect, look for long trades. So now let's drop down to daily time frame. Okay, so let's see what's happening in the short term. Okay, so here I have taken you can see that the line chart, you can see that we have price noise here and price has returned to that area so much time. Okay, so here also recently also it has got rejected, and okay, so that area I took as a point of interest, and here and as well you can see that, so the down trend line. Okay, I have taken this as another trend line. Okay, you can see we have this wick here and a fake out, and we had a retest and a good impulse move, and we had a fake out. This is a fake out, and we had a breakout. Now we're in a retest. Okay, we are in a retest. So the good thing to do is we can enter long in this area. We can enter long in this area. So if we break below this black line, we we should consider closing the trade. So if the price again come above this, then we can re-enter the trade. Okay, so that's how you can enter a trade here. Okay, so if it breaks down, you can go for a long position in this green line, so that will be a good entry point. So watch out for that. And also you can see that so if let's see the price target. Okay, let's see the price target. So the recently market broke this recently, like it was in July. Okay, the July month, this high is broken. So if you consider that, the target could be 0.184. Okay, which is from current price, if you take, it's about 87% without leverage. So this is a short term target that I'm expecting, and I have another target for you also. Okay, so let's go to weekly chart. I have a big picture to show you. So if you take the big picture, so this is what market is playing right now. Okay, So if we take the big picture here, so we have this 1.414 fib level here. Okay, we have 1.414 fib level. So you can see that clearly that we have some price noise in this 1.414 fib level here. Okay, this fib level. So if you enter a trade in daily time frame, okay, I have just explained you that. And for confirmation, let's say if the market broke this 1.1414 fib level, you can hold that trade, okay, without entering, adding. You can add also. You can add some portions also. Add to your position. So you can add to your position as well. And yeah, you can hold the trade with confirmation. So if we hold, then we can shoot to this 1.618 fib level. So that's a solid gain. Okay, solid gain of 57% without leverage. So here you can let's say if the price goes here, we have some decent trend lines. Okay, we have some decent trend lines here. So let's talk that about in the future. Okay, and if it reach here, if we make a break, okay, like this, if we make a break, then market will go for that 87 percentage. Okay, so what I'm saying is if you entered here, you can hold. If the price breaks this 1.414 fib level, you can, I mean, you can hold it with confirmation. Okay, with confidence you can hold, and you can target for this 1.618 fib level. Okay, which is this price tag 1.0.15 dollar. Okay, Pepe. So yeah, that's all. The market is really simple. Okay, this is really simple. So if you don't get, please or rewatch this. So I hope this was useful for you. So I'm not financially advising you to invest in this. Please do background research in this, and yeah, do your own research. So let's meet up on another crypto market update. Bye guys.